who's batting well. Gone! Ravi Bishnoi castles Josh English. Straight a wicket. Pulls it nicely into the gap. He's just so happy. Oh, he goes high, he goes long for maximum. That's Maxwell at his best. Oh, that is a magnificent hit.
Likes to go down the wicket on the dual spin.
No stopping that. Such a lovely cricketing. 10 overs done. Cut away and there's no one there. For Maxwell, they end up
Easy single. Good delivery. Very good delivery, but it's not reacting.
That's been put away. Maybe that releases a bit of.
Becoming 10 so far.
It's not for long. That's Maxwell at his best. Maybe not
Pull to him.
in the air. That's the end of Stoinis. And Aksha picks up a wicket. Nicely played. Good awareness of where the fielders are.
Well,
Fires that in. Up in the air, soft dismissal for Tim David. Really good captaincy for Surya Kumar Yadav. Had kept that.
plays it fine, got protection.
Deep out of the ground. Just like that. Exactly like that. A reverse. 9 of the last 30. Oh, starts off with a maximum. Straight out of the middle. Onto Tien.
Wanted to go. He goes wide. He's got protection in the team.
Swings it away and all the way. Well, he's making it. No, he goes towards mid-wicket and clears him by a distance. In a slower one and dropped. Put down. Oh, that's been drilled and that's raced across the turf. It just gained. And he launches into it. Akshay Patel was not happy. Swung away. And that's gone for 4. Goes extra cover and it sails over wrinkles it. 10 needed. Plays at it again. And again no chance for the man at deep third. Was it over the waist? He gets 100. And he's gone straight and finishes.